Hello traders, this is the second part of the preparation for day trading. Um, I was talking in the first part about the cheat sheet that I showed you before, this cheat sheet here, where I mark all the key support and resistance level in order to get ready for day trading and watch the price reaction when the price is near that zone. It's not one single price level, it's a zone. So it's a zone area, so we watch what the price is doing around that area. You don't have to say, oh, it had to be exactly there, but we are watching what the price is doing there. Sometimes the price will not even touch it, you will come near it and then turn around, but we will see with the candlestick patterns. um, will tell us exactly whether we are turning around now or not, and also whether a support level is broken or resistance level is broken. We will know exactly what's going on. So I have here this yellow line, this pink line, another yellow line here, and at the bottom here, if you follow my course, another red line here. These are my favorite key levels on the 5 days weekly charts. This chart here is the 5 days of New Zealand dollar yen currency pair. And this is the key levels that are marked on this chart. This green one is another one, this blue one, this yellow one, this pink one. And all of them are ready here. This is the historical data, of course. And I mark all these levels down on my charts. So if you want to do your cheat sheet, you have to draw the line first, the key. I told you yesterday, if you watch my previous video, if you haven't done so, go and watch them on YouTube. They are free. The price will come all the way down and then turn around. Those are key levels, after a downtrend, consolidation, and then the price change direction. Those are key levels, or the price will go up and then consolidation or correction and then turn around. Those are key levels. So we mark them down on our 5 days weekly chart, and when we finish to do that now, we go to our cheat sheet and then we just fill it in, this level here. This is my favorite area, so I start always with my weekly support level, resistance level. Then I'm just marking it down. So if it's like suppose it's 1000, then I'll just put 1000 like this, and then I'll do space space space. Then if I find another resistance level, then I'll put 2000 here. Then if there's another levels here that I found, I'll put it down, say okay, 1320. And then if there's another level here, then I'll put here maybe um, 850 like this. Okay, that's how I'm doing. And then I'm doing space space. If I find another level that is a resistance level, then I'll just mark it them all in the same on the same line like this, for the key. The weekly resistance level, they are there most of the time because it takes time to have a resistance level or a support level. So I'll do the same thing here also. For the support, I'll look on the chart like I marked them already, and if I find one level, I'll just put them down again. I will say okay, this is 1200 is a support level. Then I do space space, then I put another, okay, this one 1766 is another level. Then I will say maybe I will just look on the chart and read them, and then I will say okay, 3000 is another level, and so on and so on. Okay, and then you go to the monthly also. If you find a level, and then you just tap them in and put them down. The same thing for the support level. You do the same thing and just tap them in. And then you do your weekly pivot, mathematical pivot level, and you look at the R2, R1, and then you just tap them in. If it's 1000, just tap 1000 in. Yeah, and then you go back, you do the rest, so and so on. So that's how you do your cheat sheet. So you start doing that from the Microsoft Notepad, and you do your list. It's up to you if you want to use Excel program. It's up to you, but because I like things to be very simple, that's why I use the Notepad. So it's very easy. You just type it in and do your things and change them as you like, and make it nice and easy for you so you can locate them. If you want to highlight them, you can highlight them, change the font, so you can highlight them. You can even do the same thing on your mobile phones or your BlackBerry or your iPhone, and have them ready. You can print them out, and stick it on your board if you want to, or next to your computer, or your table. Nothing is stopping you because you want to know where you are. But on Sunday or weekend, usually people, especially Sunday night, that's where everybody's busy because of Monday. Everybody will be checking carefully where is the price. So when you are looking at this chart here now, this New Zealand dollar, yen, we just look carefully and see if there's something interesting going to happen this week here. So it's near, it was near one key level here, which is this yellow line here. It's pulling back now. You have this high here. This one is quite low here, quite lower high here. So we are watching this level carefully here, and there is a kind of support here. Don't ignore those small support also. Pay attention to them, so we know that there is a support, kind of support at this level. So we are watching carefully what's the reaction of the price at that level. So I hope you learned something from this a small video about the cheat sheet, and design it as you like, and get yourself ready for a day trading. This is your aim, because you have your aim, and anytime you enter a trade, have a target. Okay, you enter now, how are you going to get out? Don't just go into something and you don't know how you're going to get out, otherwise you're going to get stuck. Have your plan of exit also. As soon as you are preparing to enter, check also, do I want to be in this trade for too long, or how long do I want to be in this trade? Okay, this is the 4 hours chart of the New Zealand dollar yen. So when you are buying, maybe you want to buy here, you buy here, your first target will be somewhere here, because there are kind of resistance and support level here. So you say, okay, I'm in here, I want to come out here. Okay, and put in your computer, put your limit order there, that I want to come out here. If you are not on your computer watching the chart all the time, I know some people watch their computer consistently, but I think if you are day trader, it's on top of the hour you watch it. So you plan ahead, you enter, you have your target straight away. Where approximately you want to come out. Don't just get in and stay there and think that it's going to rise the whole day and you're going to make a lot of money. No. The quicker you take your money also, or you move at least your stop. If you are on your computer, you move your stop. If you improve it, use the low level, the price itself, to place your stop. Okay. So don't just leave your profit there. You are 100 point profit, and then suddenly you turn around again, you lose everything. Try to move your stop gently. Okay. So I hope this also is helpful to you, and till next time, enjoy yourself and be happy. Thank you.